This is Visine Dry Eye Relief. So I wanted to do an unboxing with you. It just showed up on my doorstep today. My eyes have been really dry. We're here in the desert, and I just want to try testing out this Visine with you and unboxing it, see what you think. Um, this is Visine Dry Eye Relief Lubricant Eye Drops. It's sterile. I think it has a half ounce. It's nice and small, easy to toss in your bag, and let's try it out. So these are artificial tears, which I wanted, and I didn't want really a lot of chemical type stuff. So here's what we got. Sure, everybody's seen the Visine bottles before, and let's see how easy it opens up. You do have to press down on it to get it open. So let's see. I'll have to cut that off after. So there's the drop. Let's just try it. Oh, I got it all. Oh my gosh, it does feel good though. It doesn't, there's no burning. It's just a relief, like to get it in your eyes, to get that dryness out. So, oh, it does feel good. So I like that it's just like artificial tears and no burning. It just is like instant relief. So there's no gritty feel, and it's just a relief. Really nice product. I really like this. I'm glad I found this. And if you're looking for something for your dry eyes, I think you'll really like this.